Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to see how to create a sales return, right? So for example, if you have sold something and that particular item come back to you because of some problem or because of some issues, right? So how can you generate sales return? So at this particular point, what you can see is that I have a delivery note which I used to ship that item to my customer. Now that customer has sent that product back to me, so I want to register a sales return. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to click on this create button, and inside create button you see the sales return option. So you have to click on sales return. So as soon as you click on sales return, you will see that information has already come and the quantity is becoming negative, right? So now for example, you have shipped 500 items, but only out of that 20 items have been shipped back, right? So I'll just write it down in negative, that minus 20 item has come back to me again, right? The rate is same and everything is same, so just 20 items have come back to me. All this information would remain same. What I'll do is I'll just save it, right? And I'll just submit this. Okay, so serial number, batch number are mandatory, right? So we need to keep a track because it is a pharma example. What you have to do is you have to write down the exact batch number which you used while shipping that particular item. So what you can do is you can select this batch number which I have just used for it, and then save it, and then submit this, right? So this return would be calculated again, and you can print it out also. And if you want to see the serial number of stock ledger, you can go inside stock ledger and see that you have just got the 20 items back, and you will see that it has been registered through delivery note and voucher type is delivery note. This is the voucher number, and from here you can track it, right? If I try to do all sorts of tracking, so you will see that I delivered 500 items and out of which 20 are received back. So it comes under stock ledger also. You can take a print also from here, right? You can take a printout of this delivery note and you can keep the status as minus 20. Also, if you want to create a credit note, right? So credit note is something which you give to your customer in behalf of the sales return. So if you want to give a credit note, you just have to click on credit note, and there would be a new sales invoice which would be created, and all this information would come that this is for this minus 20 item, and this is the rate, and this is the amount we need to pay to them, right? So as soon as you will save this and submit this, the sales invoice would be created. Okay, so on behalf of this you can generate a payment also, right? And you can take action of unreconcile and all those things you can do after this, right? So if you want to make a payment, you just have to click on payment, and all this information would directly come. So you already see that payment type is pay because we have to pay to the customer again because of the return, and the amount is also calculated. So 35 rupees we have to pay, so that amount also get calculated based on the quantity which has been returned to us, right? And once you save this, okay, you have to do a bank transaction number if you are doing bank entry. So mode of payment I'll choose as bank draft, and the check number, reference number would be bank. I'll just save this, submit this. Okay, so once this is done, so payment entry would also be made to that particular person, right? So this was how you can create a sales return and can generate a credit note inside ERPNext. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and share, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.